Welcome back to Facts. Today, we are going to talk about some interesting revelations that Robinhood CEO has made regarding Dogecoin. Before we get into the content of the video, let me read the comment of the day. Jim Romano says, "My first investment with Mr. Brooks gave me the assurance that has made me invest without the fear of losing. I got 3 of my friends into his guidance already." Thank you, Jim, and welcome to Jim's Friends into the investment world. So, into our content. Crypto trading giant Robinhood has been in the news for a good while. The app has been at the forefront of a number of cryptocurrency dealings and is quite popular among crypto enthusiasts for a number of reasons. The incredibly successful company that has seen steady increase in its profits is expanding its services for a better user experience. It is planning to make changes that investors have been requesting for a while now. Dogecoin, being its primary cryptocurrency, has seen some changes in market share values, which has obviously affected Robinhood too. Experts have been speculating about the changes on these companies and their implications. Robinhood Markets Inc. is a financial technology company that works with cryptocurrency and offers commission-free trading. It has web-based and mobile-based applications that helps users to invest in stock, cryptocurrencies, exchange-traded funds, and many more. The applications are straightforward and easy to navigate. You are also offered a share of free stock when you first open an account, as well as on making successful referrals. Vast majority of its revenue is from payment made for order flow. The brokerage does not have a minimum account size requirement for almost all of its investments. However, there is a minimum fee for opening deposits for its shares and trade offerings. It also only offers accounts for individuals, and hence people looking for joint accounts will be disappointed. There are also limitations regarding accounts like education or retirement savings plans. The company has successfully raised more than $2.2 billion in funding. Robinhood was in the news earlier in 2021 after a Reddit fiasco. Members of a Reddit forum suggested that people should invest in heavily shorted stocks like GameStop. Amateur buyers bought huge chunks of shorts, causing enormous loss for hedge funds. Robinhood, true to name, is popular among amateur stock traders and claims to make investment simple and proletarian. But the Reddit incident caused Robinhood to declare that it was going to restrict trade for GameStop and certain other companies. This brought heavy criticism on the company, claiming that it was favoring hedge funds and moving against democratization, which it had claimed it stood for. But this animosity didn't last. The company has come back stronger, gaining more traction and investors in the later months of 2021. Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency that was started as a joke, has quickly developed into becoming a serious contender in crypto trading lines. The meme-based coin's popularity and value exploded in folds at a time when other already established crypto coins had crashed due to China's decisions forbidding banks from investing into Bitcoin. Dogecoin also faced a similar fate later. Dogecoin gained attention and began trending with backing by popular figures in culture who were tough and loyal crypto experts. These include Tesla founder and billionaire Elon Musk and Shark Tank host Mark Cuban. The power of social media is reaffirmed every time Musk makes a tweet about Dogecoin or any other crypto, and the world watches as the value of that particular coin changes drastically. Earlier this year, Dogecoin hit a high new price of 8 cents after the Reddit incident, as well as Elon Musk's tweets. Even though it faced a crash somewhere around May 2021, its favorite proponent, Elon Musk, again sort of saved its day. He announced that the rideshare mission to Moon by his company SpaceX would be completely funded by Dogecoin. This makes it the first space mission to be financially backed by a cryptocurrency. So, what's the deal with Robinhood and Dogecoin link? As a company that seeked to democratize trading stock and managing crypto by introducing amateur investors into it, Robinhood also saw the potential in Dogecoin, to an extent that it included a specific risk connected with Dogecoin transactions in the IPO filed this year. The initial public offering, or stock launch, is when a company opens its shares publicly and sells them to both retail and institutional investors. In July this year, Robinhood released statements saying that Dogecoin accounted for a whopping 34% of its crypto-based transactions in the first quarter, which is massive, seeing as how Robinhood also deals with multiple other currency. The company has Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and Bitcoin SV apart from Doge. It also supports real-time market data for Lisk, Monero, Ripple, Bitcoin Gold, and more. Once Robinhood made its IPO filing public, the crypto world exploded with insinuations and speculations, especially in Reddit forums discussing crypto. Robinhood is apparently aiming for an IPO valuation of over $40 billion, according to Reuters. The filing shows in detail how the frenzy over trading by amateur investors led to an expansion, a four-fold expansion in its revenue in the course of just 3 months. Crypto assets on Robinhood rose high in the first quarter from $480.7 million to $11.6 billion. Total revenue jumped up a shocking 309%, from $128 million to $522 million in the same period. This growth in revenue for Dogecoin is credited a big deal to tweets supporting it by major players as mentioned before. Elon Musk tweeted, "Release the Doge," with a meme featuring Marlon Brando as the Godfather. Another big name in crypto dealings is Mark Cuban. The billionaire entrepreneur, who is a high-profile crypto supporter, has invested in Dogecoin. Though he does not own a huge share of investment in Doge, he has often cited it as the people's way to pay. He has championed it as the strongest medium of exchange. Cuban also said that his NBA team, the Dallas Mavericks, was open to receiving payment for merchandise and tickets in crypto. By doing this, he has popularized and opened up the market for people to be more interested in crypto as an alternative payment in real-time purchases. Dogecoin is credited with being a part of Robinhood's total revenue at about 6%. Total cryptocurrency dealings made up about 17%, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. Robinhood is worried that its market could be hurt if Dogecoin prices fall due to negative perceptions or increased availability of Dogecoin on other trading platforms. Tenev has also said that any coins that the company holds are for the purposes of providing access to holdings for our customers. We don't have significant holding in any of the coins that we keep on a proprietary basis or anything like that. The IPO also explains how there was a price paid for this expansion. There was a supposed loss of over $1 billion after it borrowed $3.5 billion through convertible bonds as check for the confusion regarding the shortened hedge funds. This brought about a lot of criticism for the poor handling and hastily made decisions. They were also under legal scrutiny for their trading and business models. The company was levied a fine as part of a settlement with national finance regulators who accused it of not following due protocol in vetting its investors and customers and implementing risk controls. One of the main excitements for Redditors and crypto enthusiasts everywhere after the publication of Robinhood's IPO filings was the discovery of a Dogecoin whale account. The largest holder in the Dogecoin economy seems to be an address with 36.7 billion Dogecoin. Top speculations point out to this being either Elon Musk or Robinhood's Dogecoin cold storage. The address DH5YA, the largest Doge owner's holdings, is worth more than $40 million as of current exchange rates. Musk hasn't been very enthusiastic about being linked to the whale account. Vlad Tenev also put an end to speculations of Robinhood being the account owner in May. Before we conclude, allow us to remind y'all that this video is only made for infotainment purposes and shall not be considered otherwise as financial or any other sort of investment advice. Besides, we all know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices mentioned might have changed into a whole new range. So be sure to do your own timely, wide-spectrum research and consult a certified finance guru as well before making any investment-related decisions. Also, a reminder to like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel for updates on the crypto world.